Welcome, from me is the Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, we'll need to open up settings, and from here scroll down to general management, and then reset, and choose factory data reset. As you can see, once you tap on it, it gives you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provided apps and content. And basically it removes anything that you have put on this device past the setup. And if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, simply scroll down, tap on reset, delete all, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute, 2 minutes, and once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.